You guys, I hope he shows you a picture of this rig he's got. It is kind of insane. It's great.
Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen. We are at the 50th anniversary Build Expo. Hopefully, one of many coming for the next years. One of the questions I get asked all the time is how do you record videos with multiple cameras and how do you match them up? And at the moment, I need to learn how to get better at matching up 5 or 6 different cameras. Sony FX6, 33, A7R5, all kinds of cameras. Uh, Datacolor has been in business for a long time. Casey will talk about that. But the cool part is if you have one of these in your shot, there are some third-party apps that does some cool color balance, which we it's not part of this company, but he's going to go over some of the benefits of using a color checker, color checker, along with these types of cards for your photography and/or video.
You have to say spider checker. This color checker is our competitor. And we are the spider checker. That's the only.
That's the intro to the video. So
Sorry.
no, I actually like that because I said Fuji, and he went, no, it's Fuji film.
Yeah.
So this is data color, and he's going to talk about all the wonderful items, and I'm going to put this down now. So this is Walter signing off, and here's Casey.
Hi, everyone. This is Casey here from Datacolor, celebrating B&H's 50th anniversary here at their amazing Build Expo. And we're so happy to be here. And I'm excited to talk to you today about our spider checker products here so that, like Walter was saying, you can match multiple cameras all at the same time to make sure that your color is perfect, regardless of what camera system or lenses you're using, so that you can make sure you'll be able to switch back and forth seamlessly without any looks being different. So over here, we have our original spider checker, our spider checker 48. Now these guys will have all of these color samples plus the white to black gradients over here. So you're getting a lot of color information and you're getting black and white samples so you can set your exposure properly. Inside of the protective case we have here, so you can see it closes up so that your cards are protected and everything's fine. It also has a quarter 20 female on the bottom here. Also has a quarter 20 male if you want to do any sort of mounting on top. Right now we have our spider cube mounted on there, which gives it's one of the more useful products for checking exposure, not only for your gray values, but also you have your whites and you have your little light trap here. So you're able to get a true zero black as well as all of your exposure information and your white balance, a good source for white balance as it's spectrally neutral. So along with our Spider Checker 48, our larger one, we have our Spider Checker 24 down here, which is really the same color card we have on this. It's just in a smaller package. It comes with a little protective sleeve instead of a bigger case. And it also on the back has a large 18% neutral gray tile right here, plus the color, the grayscale over here to also give you some more information when you're checking your exposure. We also have a new version down here, which is our Spider Checker Photo. This is our new travel size. So you still get all of the color samples that you would have on the larger Checker 48. And you also have two more gray cards in the back, and all of these cards are interchangeable. So if you needed to make any shifts for your workflow, one card belongs better than the other in those situations. That's all up to you. That's part of the Spider Checker system. Now, as Walter was talking about, for matching the multiple cameras using video editing software, there's a couple of different options. Within the DaVinci Resolve software, there is an option for a card matching in the color tab, and that would be able to use either the Checker 24 over here or the Checker 48. And you'll be able to automatically match from one color space and transfer into the other just by working around it. Now, for Adobe Premiere, there is nothing native, but there is a plugin available from a company called MBR Color Corrector, and they also have an option to use either of these cards to do color space transformation from one to the other while maintaining good color balance. So even if you're shooting RAW, you're going to be able to pull it from RAW into whatever final color space you're actually working with. Along with all of these, just for your camera balancing, we also have our display calibrator over here, which is our spider system. So the Spider is going to be able to work with all portable large scale displays, and you're going to be able to calibrate the color on your displays so that you're making sure that everything is totally color accurate. We are showing off our new Spider X2s here, our Elite and Ultra systems with our brand new software, a couple of new features, including the ability with the Ultra to balance monitors and calibrate monitors that are up to 2000 nits brightness. So if you're doing a lot of tethered work, a lot of outdoor work, you need something that's really, really bright to make sure that you have everything lined up and calibrated. Our Spider X2 Ultra will be the choice for you. Otherwise, you can use our Spider X Elite and you will still get all of the high accurate color calibration you need out of any display connected to your computer. Um, yeah, I think that's it. I don't know. Is there anything else you want me to say? Closing out, thanks for watching. This is Casey from Datacolor here at the 50th anniversary for B&H at the Build Expo. Thanks for watching.